When I make elote, I like to take a little bit of bacon fat and brush it on my corn. Bacon fat is so great. It's that little bit of fat that keeps them coming back. Made from the most coveted chili on the planet, 3 Chile Cilantro is built with patch-ready green chilies, jalapenos, and serranos. We're gonna take our grilled corn on the cob and we're gonna cut all the corn off the cob. Look at that char. Corn has been kissed by the fire. That 3 Chile Cilantro. One more time. Some cotija cheese, some red onion, some cilantro, some green onions, juice of a lime, some crema. Put it in our serving bowl.